Welcome back to Thesaurus Thrive, your ultimate destination for expanding your vocabulary and exploring the intricacies of the English language. Today, we're diving into the word insolent. So, what does insolent mean? At its core, insolent refers to someone who is boldly rude or disrespectful. It's often used to describe behavior that shows a lack of respect or courtesy. According to various dictionaries, insolent is synonymous with terms like impertinent, audacious, and brazen. Let's explore a variety of synonyms to deepen our understanding of insolent. Here are some alternatives: impudent, cheeky, disrespectful, saucy, presumptuous, and forward. Each of these words carries a slightly different nuance but ultimately conveys a sense of disrespect or rudeness. For example, if someone is being impudent, they are showing a blatant lack of respect, often in a cheeky or irreverent manner. Audacious can imply boldness and a disregard for social norms. Using brazen describes someone who is unashamedly bold or impudent. That wraps up our exploration of insolent. Remember, expanding your vocabulary is a powerful tool for effective communication. Stay tuned for more linguistic insights on Thesaurus Thrive. Until next time, keep thriving with words.